Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. So today in this video I am discussing about some of the scams which are going during this lockdown. So many of your friends are sharing like we are getting the 5,000 amount from the FG, so which is approved by the government, and also we are getting some of the schemes like we are getting the free mobile. So in this video I am going to show you how we can detect it is a true or fake. So maximum 99% of the free mobiles and this and all of the fake. So in this video I am going to show you how you can detect them, how you can find them it is true or the fake message. So before going to the video, please just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel, and watch the full video. And if you have any doubts during about this offers, and if you got this message like FG has approved 5,000 rupees for you, so you can comment down below. And if you got any new type of fake messages for you, so you can directly comment down below so that it will be helpful for other subscribers also. So now let's get into the topic. So as you can see here, in order to show you, I have two different types of fake messages presently in front of you. As you can see here, FG in top message. So FG has finally approved and have started giving out free 5,000 so relief fund to each citizen. So below how to claim Get Evo credits initially, as I have just did now. So as you can see here, first basically when you share this message, so for example when you got message from someone, so first of all just ask them, did you got this money. First thing you should do is first ask them did you got the money, so that you can, if they got money, so you can do it, no problem. So if they don't get the money, so friends, it is a fake, totally fake message. So they will tell like if you share the message you will get. So I will show the trick also in this, so how they will do all the process. So first of all things friends, so here they made a short link of website. So as you can see here, they did not given the full link. So as you can see here, they used an bit.ly, so they shortened their link and they pasted. No government website will share like this, friend. First thing, note this point, no government link, government website will do such kind of things. So if they want to give, they will upload in the official website, friends. So no government website will do will tell to share this message and just complete this survey, we will give you 5,000 10,000. No government will do. Directly the government will give the money if they want to give. So let us think. So if you get such kind of message, first you ask the friend did you got the money. So second thing what you do is just verify the link what you got. So if you get such kind of message like this, please don't touch this message first of all. So in order to show you, I will open it and I will show you all the process. So if you got such kind of message, please do comment down below as I got this message. So now let's see how it will work. So I will use my Chrome browser. So this process, all the process I am doing with the another mobile which I am using. So this mobile I won't use for the personal, like I will not use any net banking, so I am doing for this. So as you can see here congratulations, get free 5,000 instant to your bank account. So when the user see this, oh, I got the 5,000 approval for the, are you an Indian citizen? So yeah, you will think yes, I will get yes, I am an Indian citizen. And also this promotion activate, so left 1,936 free lockdown package. So as you can see here friends, first thing is, so this is a static page, and in this page, so if you see this right now, it will be in 1,936, and if you see tomorrow also, the count will be same, friends. So note this point, first point. And the second point is just check the URL, friends. So as you can see here, it is not any like any official website, as you can see here. So first thing is you should check the URL. So if you check the URL, you can see that, and also there is an I symbol, just tap on it. As you can see here, the connection of the site is not secured, so make sure that. So here just click on the, here as you can see here, we are getting the, so I will edit this. Once I will edit this, so as you can see here, so let's click on it. So it is an of HTTP, friends. It is not having the HTTPS. As you can see here, they clearly here you can see here HTTP. HTTPS means it is a secure website. So it is don't have any security, friends. So make sure that this website is not secure. First thing you should do is just check the URL once when you got the message. If you click also, just check this. Once you check this, friends, so that you will come to know what will happen, so that you can further do the process. So as you can see here, first thing you should check the URL, and also this is a static page, and also this is the left, this is all static, and also instant approval. So as you can see here, they mention something and all. So live, this is something like they will do some background coding and all. We can make it. It is not a big deal to make such kind of pages. So let's check what the further process. So yes, I'm Indian. So as you can see here, how much you want through the lockdown. So obviously 10,000 is not available. Everyone will click 5,000. Let us click on 5,000 first. So as you can see here, please wait. So what will you use your free 5,000 for? So if you click anything also, friends, you will get further process. So let us check commonly. I will use for internet. Let's see what will happen. So verifying it, connecting for the server. Congratulations, you are eligible for the 5,000 rupees, friends. So as you can see here, for my internet they are giving the 5,000 rupees, friends. What can we do is government will give 5,000 rupees for your internet. Just check it once. Just think before what you share. Soon after you are getting this, just everyone will start to share this, friends. So as you can see here, they will share they will share everything, friend. So as you can see here, before you continue, just click on green share. So share and send this to 7 WhatsApp group, only groups. So after the sharing, you will be asked for the account number and bank name to receive the 5,000 rupees cash. Let us see what will the process will happen if we click on the share message. First thing, you check it for the internet. No government will give presently during the lockdown. For the food purpose, if they give, it's okay, but for the internet, for some other things, won't give. So let us check. Once we check, if we click on the share now, what will happen? So just click on it. So I will close it. So I will use the WhatsApp. Let me get back once. So I will click once again. So just scroll here, just get back. So finally finished and get credit initially. Okay, let us share it once again. So as you can see here, I am not sharing anywhere here. Just they will apply this trick, friends. So as you can see here, there is an process bar going on here. So let us see this trick, what the happening here. And also there are some comments which are in static mode. So thank you for the lockdown gift. I got 5,000 for free just now. So these all are the fake messages, friends. Just you see today, tomorrow, and also if you see for 1 year also, if this page is available, these comments will be the same in static mode. So make sure that this if someone will read all this and they got 5,000 rupees, we also will get 5,000 rupees. Before sharing this, make sure that. So as you can see here, there is a simple trick. There is some process bar. Just I will show what the background process is happening here. So just I will click on share. So I will get back. As you can see here, bar is moving forward. So I will get back. So get share and get back, and click on share, get back, click on share. So as you can see here, successfully I got just I will block it, I will cancel it, all those things. So as you can see here, congratulations, you are qualified for the free 5,000 rupees lockdown funds from FG. So what you saw in the previous page, they said just if you share the message, you will get 5,000 rupees. So what I did, just I clicked on share. I did not share for anyone, friends. I did not share, I did not edited this video. You can try this by your own, but make sure that please don't click on the links. So I just for the information purpose I given here. So this is how the process will work. If you click on share, you share or don't share, it will be keep on processing. Like if you click on button, it will be add as 1. If you click on button and get back, click on get back, you will get. So as you can see here, they mentioned all the. So as you can see here, such kind of images never the government website will be government website will be given such kind of messages. No government website will give such kind of look, climb now, get now, something like this and all not working, friends. Please don't click on such kind of link. So as you can see here, in the first page we see 1936 are free lockdown funds are packages are available. So right now also it is available. So let us think that this many users are sharing this, how it is possible it is not reducing also? Just think of it. So as you can see here, they are asking us to input the bank account. Please don't input your any bank account, friends. Please don't input your bank account. So here what is happening is they are gathering your information. Like for example, let us think that, so whenever you just, I will come back, so I will not give the bank account details. So just I will come back. So I did not share anywhere, friends. So let us open my data. So here they are using the short linker. So when you click on the link, you don't know what will happen, friends. Really, no one knows what will happen if you click on the link. So everyone will think, let us try what will go. So let you try, something will you lose definitely, friends. So whenever we click on the links, there is some spy tools where your IP address, your location, your details, sometimes you may not know that some spy apps may install in your mobile device. So someone will think that what will happen if I install spy messages. So let us discuss something about the spy messages. The spy, sorry, not spy messages, spy apps, friends. So without knowing you, the spyware apps will install automatically in background, friends. So when they install background, what will happen is commonly, so they will do the process, they will take all the data from you. First thing, they will read all the content, what you are browsing, what you are chatting, what you are texting, what you are doing, A to Z. They will take your data. And also just think this, so this isn't true, friends. What will happen is, just when they can control even your front and back camera also. So without your permission, without no need of permission, anything, friends, just they can control with something like for example, let us think that you were just using the mobile, and they can just view the video with the front camera. They can view your face, and if you are talking with someone, if you are sharing some OTPs, if you are doing something, so they can easily take your data from you. So please, friends, don't share the such kind of links. These all are not true. So if you are everyone, if getting the money, so it will be obviously, it will be discussed in the news also. Obviously it will discuss in the all the sections, friends. So before clicking the link, please do all the precautions what I said. So this will not happen. These are all the fake messages, and you will lose, friends. You will not gain anything, but you will lose definitely. So not now also, but further also you will lose something. So that's all. And if you like this video, please do comment down below. This is the first method which the hackers will use. So I think this will be helpful for you. So if you like my explanation, please do now itself like my video and share this video with your friends. So don't share such kind of fake messages. Share this video such kind of useful information which will be helpful for others, not such kind of fake messages. The fake messages may harm anyone, but the informative video will be helpful for someone or someone. So even if one share also will help someone. So now let's see the second one, friends. So this is a message which this is a picture which I got from my friend, one of my friend. So what is happening is they are telling that iPhone 11 128GB black color variant you will own, you got for free, friends. So as you can see here, so just I will show you. As you can see here, they went to the shipping process. Your credit card will not be charged for extra fee. So it means that they are asking for your credit card. So just remember, if you give the credit card details, they will not charge right now. If they have credit card, if they have debit card also. So just remember that for the debit card also, for international transaction, for some transaction, they don't require any OTP, friends. So make sure that if you have also OTP also, like something like if you think that if I give this also, OTPs will won't they can't get OTPs. So previously I done a video regarding the message web. So you can see that video. In that video I clearly explained you how the some of your friends or some may be spy with the message app. So let's get this, let us explain this, what will happen in this process. Just I will show you the some of the features which you can identify by. Actually presently the eBay is not running in the India. So this is picture shared by the one of my friends. She is in India itself. So she shared me and told like this, I got, can I order it? So directly I did not said anything, friends. Just I said don't order it, don't give any details, don't click on the link itself if you got such kind of messages. So just they cancelled it. Okay, so what we think is, let us try what will we go, just our address itself, our debit card, credit card number itself, we are not giving anything. Like they will think let us try once. So what will happen is, here your credit card and debit card valuable information will be shared to hackers. And also if you deposit any money, you will be lose compulsorily, 100% you will lose. So here I will explain you some of the things which will be helpful, you can identify by this. So first thing is eBay. eBay is presently not running in India. First thing, note this point, eBay is not running in India. And second thing is, just observe the link, friends. So what is the company name? eBay. And what is the URL they are using? AppsFlies. So what is that? Just when you are doing such kind of thing, just see it, friends, once you watch this, so that you will get some awareness how we can, what we are doing, what we are getting. Some people will think just once try. So whenever you are getting the free things, so think before you do. So nothing will be freed here, nothing you will get free. So if the government also giving, if you are free, so there will be some official announcement also. So if you want any more informative, or if you got any problem, like if you got any messages, such kind of messages, you can comment down below, friends, so that it will be helpful for others. So it will be, so here I shown you just two examples. So you may get different messages also. So if you share the message, so that I can in further videos I can include it, so that it will be helpful for others also. And also please do like this video and share this such kind of videos, friends, not the fake messages. This video is, I hope this video will help lot of students. So many, nearly in since 2 days I got nearly 10 to 20 messages, such kind of, as you can see here, this kind of messages, free funds, I got nearly 10 to 20. I just keep on telling that just I am replying to that, and this is fake. So please don't share. But also if I given the fake also, some students, some not in students, but some people are sharing, friends. So please don't share this, friends. So share this video. Once you share this video, share your knowledge with your friends and family members, and let us know in comment section what you are thinking about such kind of links. And let's share this video, and I hope you understand this video. And if you have any doubts related to this, so you can comment down below, so I will definitely reply to you, friends. Thank you, friends, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are reaching for 2k subscribers. Nearly we are with the 2k subscribers. Please do share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe to our channel if they like our content, and comment your opinion below. Thank you, friends, thank you for watching this video.